Mayor Jim Fouts loses court battle, plans to appeal federal ruling Warren, Mich. CBS DETROIT. Warren Mayor Jim Fouts is not giving up his legal fight to get back on the mayoral ballot. A federal judge dismissed his civil rights case on Tuesday. But Fouts said he plans to appeal the ruling. The judge said, "I am 95% certain. This was less than 2 weeks ago, and you're gonna have oral arguments." And then suddenly this week he said, "Nah, don't want oral arguments," Fouts said. Fouts says he would fight this case to the U.S. Supreme Court if need be because he says this case is about more than getting put back on the ballot. "If we can go as far as the Supreme Court, I would do that because I know that we are correct. I know that this should be heard at a fair, objective, and unbiased vote," Fouts said. A 2020 amendment to Warren's charter limits all city elected officials to 3 terms or 12 years in office. Under the new term limits, Fouts is no longer allowed to run for mayor. However, Fouts said the language of the bill is not clear and he simply wants the courts to make a legal determination. "Why is it that the rest of the judges are afraid to hear me out?" Fouts questioned. "My question is, give me my day in court to give me an opportunity to have an argument in front of you. Then if you hear all of the facts and you determine you're going to rule the same way, that's fine. So far, they've refused to hear the facts, refused to hear the oral arguments, the judge that did rule in my favor. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than Fouts insists that if the courts listen to the facts and still rule against his ability to run again, he will move on. All they have to do is say, 'We will hear you out,' and then I will move forward, whether it comes one way or another. I'm willing to do that, but I think I have a right to have my speech heard in public before court," he said.